Hello viewers, in this video we will see how we can install Tensorflow in Raspberry Pi 3. So to do that, first you need to download the Raspberry Pi, the OS of the Raspberry Pi, Raspbian 2020 2.07 version. This version here. I will give a link to this page. Actually, the reason of using a older version is I have tried the newest version, and the newest version comes with Python 3.9, and the TensorFlow library, the version 2.3 2.3.0, that actually works with Python 3.7. So I tried installing Python 3.7 also, but however it didn't work. So after that I tried this version, and this version comes with Python 3.7 and it worked just fine. So if you are trying installing, so I suggest using this version or you will get some errors. So uh, install this version and set up the SSH, and this is my SSH terminal of my Raspberry Pi 3. So first we need to create a virtual environment. For that, enter this command. Okay, as you can see that it is showing me this, that the requirement is already satisfied, just because I have already installed it. Uh, but if you are installing it, you may see another problem, that the install may complete properly, but it may show you that the virtualenv command is not added into your bash file. So you need to do it manually. So to do it manually, you need to enter this command. After the colon, you have to enter the path. When you will be installing, you will see the path of your virtual environment. So in my case, the path was this. After entering this path, just press enter and it will add this the virtual environment into the path. So if I show you, it shows the path I already have now. So as you can see here, that the path home by local bin, I have added it. So now we can create the virtual environment. To do that, enter this command. After that, enter the name of the virtual environment. And press enter. Okay, so the environment is created. Now we need to activate this environment. Okay, you can see we are inside the environment now. Now we are all set. We just need to enter the command for installing the TensorFlow library. So enter. P3 install, and now you have to enter the location of the file. So I'll provide a link to the GitHub repository, and from here download this one, TensorFlow 2.3.0, CP37 Linux, ARM v7L, this one. So right click on it, and from here copy the link, and here just paste it, and now press enter. Okay, you can see it has started installing TensorFlow. The version is 2.3.0. So you can see the progress here. It may take some time, up to 20 minutes. So we'll be back after 20 minutes. Okay, we're back. So you can see the installation is successful. Now let's check if it is successfully installed or not. Okay, you can see I'm running on Python 3.7.3. Now let's try importing the TensorFlow library. Okay, you can see it is successfully imported. So let's check the version of the TensorFlow. Okay, you can see the version is 2.3.0. So our installation is successful. But sometime you may find a error. The error looks like something like this. If I zoom it, you will see that it says that a file cannot be shared, or no such file or directory. To fix this error, it's easy. You just need to run a command. So you can see we have help here in GitHub. Here you'll just need to run this command. I faced this problem first time when I was trying, so it is likely to happen. In that case, just run this command. It will install some files and you'll be good to go. I will provide this command in my video description. So I hope the video was helpful. So if you like the video, please share it, like it, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.